Good morning, class 6. Today we are going to complete some exercises of chapter 5, that is grouping materials of different kinds. So students, open page number 64 in your science book and keep a pencil with you. So here you can see on page number 64, C part of exercise, answer in one word or a few words. So first we are going to complete C1, that is state whether the following statement are true or false. So first, plants and animal both are made of cells and have no dissimilarity. So this is false. Because they have dissimilarity. Now the second, vinegar is soluble in water and chalk is insoluble in water. So second is true. Now third, aluminium is transparent and glass is opaque. So this is false, because glass is transparent and aluminium is opaque. Now fourth, oil is denser than water. So fourth is false, because oil is less denser than water. Now fifth, cotton is a soft material. So it is true. Just a minute. Now 6, a notebook shines while an eraser does not. So this is false. Because both are not shiny. In nature. Now 7, all plastics and stones are transparent. So this is false. Only some plastics are transparent and stones are opaque. Now 8, wood being less denser than water floats over water. So 8 is true. Here you can see false for first, true for second, false for third, false for fourth, true for fifth, sixth, false for sixth and false for 7 and true for 8. Now second, fill in the blanks. First, dash materials allow light to pass through them. So we can fill here. Transparent. T R A N S P A R E N T. Now the second, dash and dash have shiny appearance. So second, we can fill glass GLSS, and acrylic sheets ACRYLICCSHEE T, acrylic sheet. In second statement, now for third, dash can be opaque or translucent, so we can fill in third, we can fill frosted, FROSTED, glass, GLASS, frosted glass. Now in fourth, a substance dash dense then water will sink. So a substance which is more dense, MORE, a substance which is more dense then water will sink. Now fifth, dash and dash are gases which dissolve in water. So oxygen, let me write it, OXYGEN, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, CarbonDioxide, carbon dioxide. Now six, umbrella are made of dash materials, are made of water, WATERPROOF, waterproof material. Now in C3, match the two columns. So we can see column A and column B. Here first, butter paper can be matched with third, butter paper is translucent. Now second, salt is transparent. Now air is soluble in water. Oxygen is in air. Now fourth, a gas that dissolves in water. Okay, just a minute. Air is soluble in water. A gas that dissolves in water is oxygen. Now fifth, sodium. So sodium is a soft metal. We can cut sodium by the knife. Now for 6, diamond is a hardest substance. Is that clear? Okay. Now multiple choice questions. Which of the following is true? So both air and pure water are transparent. C for 1. Now second, glass can be cut by using diamond. Now third, which of the following is less dense than water? So here we can tick on oil. Now fourth, a material through which light cannot pass at all is opaque. Now turn. You can turn the page. Here fifth of multiple choice question is orange juice is soluble in water. So that's all, class 6. So first, listen me carefully that you have to do this work in your book and you have to do fill in the blanks in your copy. So fill your exercises as I shown you and you have to complete fill in the blanks with question answers in your science copy. So that's all for today, students. Nothing is left. Thank you, class.